Call tracking. Call tracking allows you to understand the attribution of where incoming calls are coming from through the use of a number pool. Maybe you sent out an email blast, or you're targeting new customers and leads using Facebook or Google Ads, and more. If you're spending time and resources to gain new customers, you may want to know where incoming calls or leads are coming from. By setting up a number pool for call tracking and using this feature of your system, you can better understand the source of your incoming calls or leads for your business. Step 1 is to create a number pool. Navigate to Settings and Phone Numbers and click plus Add Number Pool to create a new number pool. You'll have two options in the pop-up window: Track Visitor Activity or Track a Marketing Campaign. Track Visitor Activity allows you to create several numbers for pay-per-click keywords, Facebook ads, Google ads, and more. Track a Marketing Campaign allows you to do a one-time email blast or campaign. Choose the option that is right for you and then continue. You'll go ahead and follow the remaining steps to continue creating your number pool. Note that if you change your mind, you can make edits and changes at a later time. For tracking options, most of the time you will want to select all visitors to track everyone, but there may be cases where you prefer to only track pay-per-click searches or a specific landing page, maybe specifically only visitors from Google Ads, and more. So choose the tracking option that is right for you, and then continue on to the next tab. Make sure you name your number pool and determine how many numbers you want. Do you want 4 additional numbers, 8 additional numbers, etc.? Then choose the forward calls to and determine the number. Then you'll also need to determine if you want a swapping number. You will need to check the box to confirm you understand you are purchasing additional Twilio numbers. Once you've checked this box to confirm your understanding, click Next for tracking options. On the next tab, you'll be able to select a whisper message such as New Call from Ad Campaigns if you'd like. You can also enable or disable the call recordings feature. Please note you will need to follow your local regulations and guidance for laws on recording calls. Finally, click Activate Number and Done to confirm your number pool setup. You should now see your number pool listed on your phone numbers page. Step 2 is to update your number formatting. Click into the hyperlink under Tracking Numbers on your phone numbers page. You'll see your swapping numbers as the main numbers that will appear and be shown on your site or your ad or your page. Your pool numbers are what will be swapped out for call tracking purposes. Step 3. Add the tracking code to your page. Click the info icon next to your number pool. A pop-up window will appear and you'll need to copy the normal snippet. Then navigate to the funnel or the website that you wish to use your number pool for. Click into the settings for that funnel or website and paste that normal snippet that you just copied into the bottom of the Body Tracking Code section under any other code you may have. Click Save to confirm your changes and you're all set. Please note that if you prefer to swap the number on only one page, you can click into the page builder and under Settings, Tracking Code, Footer Code, you can paste the normal snippet there.